guys, I'm having a hard time choosing between these three flower pots. The gray one, the white one, or the black one. They all have the same type of plants. I want something for my bathroom. I'm thinking the white would go. Welcome to my vlog. It's Merveille, not Marble, not Melville, not Mabel, and certainly not Captain Marvel. It's Merveille. It's Merveille. Welcome to my vlog. So I think this is going to be one of those weekly random vlogs that I do from time to time. Ooh, I am so exhausted, guys. I forgot to put on my necklace, so let me do that right now. Looks better, way better. Right here. You guys, if I tell you that I am so sleepy, I'm exhausted, and I just want to rest. What time is it? Oh my gosh, it's almost 3 o'clock. It's past 2. You guys are not gonna believe me. I just want to rest. I don't want to do anything. I don't feel like doing anything, but I have a lot of deadlines to catch up to. I have a video to edit. What else? I have schoolwork to do, studying to do, and some type of work thing to do. So I'm gonna get started with that. If I stay home, I'm not gonna do anything. My place is the most comfortable place I could ever be in, so staying at home just makes me want to sleep and laze around and all of that, and I don't want to do that. So yeah. Hey guys, I just want to come out here and show you guys some plants that I got earlier today. I ordered some flower pots online, so I thought that I would get these plants today because I think the flower pots are like a day away. They'll probably get here tomorrow. Oh shoot. So the first one I got is this one here. I think it's really pretty, and it's easier for me to take care of plants like this that are just so small and they don't require a lot of sunlight and they don't require a lot of water. So I think I'm gonna leave this in my bathroom. I was thinking of the kitchen, but I'm thinking of putting something else in the kitchen. So this is what I got. I love it. And this for my bedside table, I got this plant here. I only realized how bad the petals were when I got home. Let me zoom that in. It doesn't have a good flower pot. I ordered like 2 online. One is going to be used for this particular plant, and this will go in on my bedside table right there. My laptop's on the floor. I'm gonna remove the lamp. And what else do I have there? My alarm clock. And I think I'm gonna have this flower pot put right there. So yeah, you guys, I'm in love with plants. I love plants so much. I love flowers, I love plants, you know, I love everything. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. I'm now off to Starbucks to edit, study, and work. Get some work done. See you guys there.
Looking back on our time, and we just couldn't get it right. I wish somebody would have told me that everything would change. I'm finally seeing it clear, and I know just what you are. I wish somebody would have told me that the bed feels warmer than it ever did when you were by my side. And now I don't have much, but baby, now I got my pride and my stride and my hindsight. Hey, I'm 20/20 in hindsight. And boy, you let me down, but I got up all by myself. You helped me live and learn that I don't need nobody else. Hey, through the hard time, I'm 20/20 in hindsight. 20 in hindsight. I'm looking up at the moon, and I know you're looking at it too. I wish somebody would've told me that everything would change. I'm finally seeing it clear, and I know just what you are. I wish somebody would've told me, yeah, that the bed feels warmer than it ever did when you were by my side. And now I don't have much, but baby, now I got my pride and my stride and my hindsight. Hey, I'm 20/20 in hindsight. And boy, you let me down, but I got up all by myself. You helped me live and learn that I don't need nobody else. Hey, through the hard time, I'm 20/20 in hindsight.
Hey you guys, so I just want to show you what came through this afternoon's parcel. Oh yeah, first things first, I wanted to show you guys these bags. My sisters asked me for these bags and I was like, okay, sure. And when they arrived, I thought they were just so cute. They are just so adorable. So I got it in this, what's this color, green color, and I also got it in an orange color. I don't want to open it. Let me just open it. And I also got it in this orange color. I think they are just adorable. Thanks Riri for starting the trend. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this one, which belongs to me. And I just thought it was cute when I saw it online. So how about we unbox it together? Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, there we go. So this is it. This is the bag. I just wanted to show you guys this particular bag. Okay, I think it is so cute. I don't know what's up with me these days, but not these days, but I think for the past year or something, I've just been falling in love with smaller, minute bags. I've always been a big fan of humongous bags because I carry a lot of things around, but these days I kind of like them small now. I think it is so cute. I think it's so pretty. I don't remember how much I got it for, but it was probably like 50 yen or something like that. Very, very cheap. But yeah, I think it's so pretty. It looks classy. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this bag.
Against the back of her neck and killed her with a single bullet. It was the reason Deborah hated guns. It was the reason she refused to have a gun around.
Here it is, right here. I have a picture. $475 plus $150 plus
This is what I'm having. I haven't had a home cooked meal in like weeks. I think about a month.